I feel like you've buckled. Ah, what have we got there? The JOYSWAY Super Mono 10.
It's so compact, but this thing goes at over 45 kilometers an hour.
I dare say it would actually go more.
Probably would.
I'd say it would, because you've seen the little boat, a little 380 powered one.
Yeah, a little rooster tail comes out of
That
that.
goes about 30-40 k's.
Yeah.
I reckon this one on 3S, no, with the Outrigger brushless motor, pop the hood off and have a look.
60 k's.
I don't know.
What do you reckon?
It does say 45 k's plus on the box, but like I said, I think that's a fair understatement if ever I've seen one.
Well, these come with everything. Radio control, battery, charger. They're ready to roll.
So JOYSWAY, they make more than just really good slot car sets and sailing boats. Clearly.
Here we go. So we've got a blow molded plastic hull. This is injection molded.
Is it one piece?
It's one piece.
I've not seen that. Blow molded one piece. That is quite the mold. Isn't it?
Mm.
Look, comes with a battery.
It does. 3-cell.
3S 1300 milliamp.
Got a very decent XD60, so it's going to be drawing quite a few amps.
Milliamperes.
Yep. So a shaft there. We've got a flexi shaft.
You what?
Shaft.
Cool.
So flexi shaft. This goes through the tube all the way down to the back here. Your prop. You got your trim. What do you call these things? Trim what?
Trim tabs.
I think trim tabs.
I don't know, but they're bloody sharpened up like the knife. I reckon it's sharper than my wife's bloody veggie knife. She's got a favourite knife that she uses for vegetables.
Why only for vegetables?
I don't know, because it's this big and she like cuts vegetables, and it scares me because it's dangerous because it's so blunt.
Really? Is it the same shape as that?
I reckon this is sharper. I reckon she'll start using this if I take it home.
There you go, your little dog there with your prop.
Brass.
There's another trim tab there. And you call these trim tabs too?
I don't know.
These things
I don't know boats. What are you asking me for?
I don't know.
I just want to play with it.
We've got a pickup at the back here, a little pickup nipple. So that pickup's on what? Well, what was the bit that was offensive? The pickup bit.
Yep.
So this picks up the water.
In its nipple.
Yeah. And then it's just a shame this is all black. It's a bit hard to see. But you can see the tube there. The water will go through the tube.
Mm-hmm.
Can't find where it is now. It's all the way down the back here.
Up the hull.
It goes there. It goes and cools the speed controller, which is just hidden by some of this buoyancy foam. Say. Goes through the other side, comes back out, and then water cools the motor here. So there's the outrunner there.
That is pretty cool. This thing's going to sound pretty mean.
A little servo there. Where is it?
Servo?
Yeah.
A rudder servo. You should be a hand model. Have I said that before?
Oh, a number of times.
I stand by it.
Do you? So very nice. There's your controller.
There's your radio.
So full size.
Full size radio. And it's not a full size boat.
That's right.
What is it? 10th scale? I don't know. What do they scale boats?
10th scale? Oh, it could be 10th scale. Looking at the dogfighter, yeah.
This model is not a toy.
Isn't it?
Well, that's what it says. I don't believe them because I'm going to play with it.
So you got your steering.
Comes with a boat stand.
What do you get?
That's what? Steering dual rate.
You reckon? Left and right?
Yeah.
And then you got your servo reversing for steering. Throttle trims, steering trims.
Yeah.
On off switch.
Steering travel, yeah. Steering trim. Steering reverse. There you go. Throttle trim and brake. I am excited.
So if everyone remembers the yachts we were looking at, so that was JOYSWAY. So this is made by the same company. And this is just a little one.
Comes with a little balloon, a little birthday balloon.
Yep.
Comes with a spare XT60. Should you buy another battery that doesn't come with it?
Yes, that's handy.
Spare prop.
It's got some Allen keys.
Some spare Allen keys.
Yep.
And some screws because it's got a radio hanger.
A what?
Radio hanger.
Oh, that's right. So you can put a lanyard on it and hang it around your neck, so you don't drop it in the water.
Yes.
Like Jojo.
Yep. Master Joe, that's his favourite thing to do.
But
you know what he did?
What's he done now?
He took it out of the case, left it in the sun, and a half hour later he was sailing again.
Really?
Yeah.
Is that a true story?
Yeah, it's a true story.
There you go. Water is not your friend, but once it's dry, it's all good.
That's right.
And this is their little boat, but they make quite a lot of other boats too, which we'll show in a some other
In
shows.
due course,
That's right.
my friend. In due course.
This is the little one. Just like yacht, there's little ones and big ones. But this is the little.
And after once we have a quiet weekend, right? Because we got massive weekends, like F1s, racing, Easter fairs. Once we have a quiet weekend, we're going to get one of these out on the Yarra.
Drive around.
100%.
Go faster than the rowers.
Go into the rowers.
What?
I'm gonna get.
We can deliver stuff.
I'm gonna get
like gummy bears or something to the rowers.
I'm gonna fly in the city too. Once I get my skills up, definitely gonna fly a little plane in the city.
We're gonna see you on the news. We're gonna see you on the news for sure.
Why?
I don't know, because they're in the background
with a camera
and some cuffs.
No, that little plane. I'm really excited for the little plane. You know that.
I know you love the look of that. Yes.
I love the idea of it.
Yes.
You know.
Yeah.
So,
they're cool. Very cool.
But if I get the skills up, I think if we have a couple of flights on the weekend and I feel all right, then we'll
dogfighting in the city.
Dogfighting, just off the little ramp and.
I wonder if they get powerful enough to like pull a little banner.
I'll do it for your birthday. BJ, will you marry me? The arrow.
Oh, that'd be special, wouldn't it?
Wouldn't it?
I'll cherish that. There you go. So there's a bit of RC. Let's look back at these comments. What have we got here?
Probably just people going on for how loose you are. I'm going to lose a radio.
190 grams. 190 grams. What weight are we guessing? Are we guessing the tram or are we guessing the plane?
I'm tipping that people are only going to be guessing the tram
yeah, because the tram is a competition.
That's what's going to win them the prize.
That's right. All right. All right. So we don't know. Should we weigh it? I think we should weigh it.
Well, I don't want to give it away too early.